All right, so now we're going to talk about glenohumeral internal rotation deficit. We call it GIRD for short. And this is an adaptation that happens in the youth with overhead athletes, Little League baseball players, tennis players, that sort of thing. What you want to see with range of motion in the shoulder is about 90 degrees of external rotation and about 90 degrees of internal rotation. And I have that in my left shoulder, so it's good for you to visualize. However, what you'll notice on my right arm, I told you I was a baseball player, when I go into external rotation, you see how much further it goes there? And then when I go into internal rotation, it's limited. Okay? So what's important to know is that the humerus, that's our shoulder bone right here, it has growth plates that aren't complete when we're a youth. So when we're in Little League and we're throwing and doing this sort of torquing motion, that growth plate actually twists a little bit. That's an adaptation that happens very, very frequently. It's not a problem. It's important for you to really realize that this is nothing to be fixed. You shouldn't be trying to stretch that person into internal rotation, doing sleeper stretches and different things like that. So it's an adaptation and it's healthy. How you want to really check to make sure that it's healthy is you'll notice my range of motion from external rotation to internal rotation is about 180 degrees in total, and that's what you really want to see. As long as it's 180, then we're happy. All right? So just know that when you see different clients of yours, when they do tests like this, where they'll tell you, oh, I can do this on one side, and on the other, it's limited. Well, that's the case with me as well because I have this condition, GIRD, and it's important to know it's nothing to fix, it's an adaptation, just leave it be.